It's time to finish off the project with WeatherTech. Auto, home, pet. Find your fit at WeatherTech.com.
Welcome back. So today we want to do what we always do, and that's finish it up with WeatherTech, right? And today, we got something that Bruno talks about for months. I still don't have one, but I want this one, dude.
I've actually got one in my car as well as my RV, and it's the CupFone by WeatherTech. Now, it's probably the only item they have that isn't specifically built for every vehicle, but it fits every vehicle because you got these adjustable size cups right here that fit right into your cup holder. So you just pop out different sizes, see which one fits what you got. So let's say you got a little bit of play, you use this little sticky sleeve they put on it, and it mounts in there nice and flush. It won't move around, and it gives you the ability to mount basically any cell phone in here because it's totally adjustable. You got these little tabs, you drop your cell phone in, clamp it down, and then you can go here and adjust the angle and see. How do you look right there? You
Dude,
like
I could actually watch myself drive down the road. How cool is that? I could shoot selfie videos. Which probably is not the safest thing. So
now it comes in handy not only because you can have a place to hold your phone, but let's say you've got the maps on, you're trying to go somewhere, You're not holding it in your hand or sitting on your lap or watching a flyer on the dash. It's in a spot. You can see it, go down the road, and basically gives you a little bit more functionality out of your phone.
It really does.